Hello friends, welcome to our channel. So in this video we will continue our my account activity. So in last video we have some issue with the layout. In this we have not got circle. So let's change it. Go to the Android Studio and fragment account.xml, and here go to this layout. This is card view. This is our card view, and here let's change the radius because we have a greater radius. That's why we are we are getting distorted image. So let's keep it 30. I guess it will show the circular view. Okay, then go to the account fragment. Here we will create other variables for our view. Private. What other variables we need one text view for this A and one for this, and 2 3 4. We need 4 text views and 4 linear layouts. Okay, so 4 text views. So text views, first is a profile image text. Profile img text. Then next is name. Then next is for score, and one for the rank. Okay, so these are text views. Then private linear layouts. One is for leaderboard, then one is for profile button, then one is for logout. We already have it. And the other is saved question is bookmarks button. Okay, so these are the variables that we need. Now initialize these variables. Here we are initializing this. So instead of this, let's create a function init views and cut this also from here. Cut this line logout button and create this function init views. Here private void init views. Paste that logout button line. Okay, in this we need this view context, so we have to pass this view in this, and here we need view. Okay, like this. Okay, so similarly we will profile image text. We will initialize this also. View dot find view by id, r dot id dot profile image text. Profile image text is, what is the issue? Actual argument is, okay, find view by id. Here we want find view by id. Okay, so we can do is we can copy this line and paste it multiple times because we need many views, then change one by one. So profile image we have. Then what other text views? Name, score, rank. So one is name, other is score, and then rank. Here also name. What is the text view? Let's check this text view. This is okay, we don't we haven't set the id to this. Let's change its id from text view to name. Okay, and then go to the account fragment. Here id is name, name, and then this is score, and then this is rank. This is not score, I guess it is total score. Let's check. This is total score. Okay, and this is, I guess, rank only. Okay, this is rank and this is total score. So instead of score, total score. You need to check the IDs of each views. It should be correct that we have set in the fragment .xml file. Okay, then after rank, what else we want? Linear layout buttons. So first is a leaderboard, then we have logout button, we already have, then bookmark button, and here also bookmark button, and this also leaderboard button, and we want one another what else, profile button, view dot find view by id, r dot id dot profile button, profile button. Okay, so we have set the views. Then let's initialize these. So we have already set the click listener to the logout button. Then we will set the click listener to all others. Like first we have this bookmark button. So set on click listener, new on click listener. We don't have a bookmark activity. Once we have a bookmark activity, we can assign it here. We can call it from here, bookmark activity. Then there is a profile button, set on click listener, new on click listener. We also don't have profile activity. Once we have, we can call it from here. Then logout is already there. Then leaderboard, set on click listener, new on click listener. Here for leaderboard we already have leaderboard fragment. So how we can go to the leaderboard fragment? We have to change the index of the fragment. We are on the third fragment, that is my account. Now we want to go to the second fragment. So what we can do is we can set the ID in bottom navigation bar. Okay, we don't have a bottom navigation bar here, so let's create bottom navigation bar, private bottom navigation view, and name it bottom navigation view, and in init views, here we will initialize these that view bottom navigation that we have created. Bottom navigation view is equal to, because it is not in this fragment, it is in bottom navigation view is in our main activity. So from fragment, how we can access the main activity view? We can access with the get activity. First we will get the activity context, get activity, so it will give the activity context, and from activity context we can find the view, find view by id, r dot id dot bottom what's the name, bottom nav bar. Okay, we have this id assigned to the bottom navigation bar. So now we have bottom navigation view. So we'll set the id in this view, in this leaderboard button here. Bottom navigation view dot set selected item id, set selected item id. Here we will pass the leaderboard id, r dot id dot leaderboard, navigation leaderboard. Okay, this, so it will automatically go to the second fragment. Okay, that we have taken care in main activity. Okay, so this is okay. Now one more thing, this is our app. When it come to the home activity, here we have this exam practice. We have to change this title to categories, and then when we go to the my account, we have to change this title to my account. Okay, so we have to change the title when we change the fragments. Okay, so for this, go to the main activity. In main activity, what we are doing, this is our own create. Here we have this toolbar. From this we can set our title. So how we can set, we can check in the test activity. Go to the test activity. In this, set title enabled, this get support action bar dot set title. This way we can set the title. So copy these lines, Control C, and go to the main activity. Here paste this line. Okay, this already we have this set supported action bar, and set, we don't need this because we already have the title enabled, or let's leave it. And this, here we can set the title. So we can set the title in main activity as categories, and then we have to set these in fragment also. So copy these, Control C, and then go to the account fragment, and here in after init view, this, here we will set this. Okay, we don't have a toolbar here because it's in the main activity, so we'll get the context from the main activity. So get activity dot find view by id. Now we will get the toolbar. Then we also don't have this function here, so here also get activity dot set supported action bar, or don't need these two lines, we only this get activity dot get supported action bar can't resolve method dot set title categories. Okay, get activity, let's cast this to main activity, and then bracket and bracket here. This way we can resolve this get supported action bar, and here we can set the title as not categories. Instead we want here my account. Okay, so this way we can set the title to our fragment. Okay, now I guess it's complete here. Okay, we have some text views that we need to set also. So first is a name, score, rank, and profile image text. So profile image text and name, let's set these first. So here after this, Here we will set these first set profile image text, set text. Here we will set the initial letter of the username. Okay, so how we can get the name? So here string name is equal to, okay, not name, we already have a name with text view is with a name. Okay, so you can say username, string username is equal to db query dot profile my profile dot get name. Okay, it will return the username. Then we will set the initial letter of this username here. So we have to extract the initial letter from the username. So username dot, first we will convert it to the first case capital letter, and then we will get the first letter from it. So 0, 1, we need first letter. Okay, so this will return the first letter that we will assign to the image text. Okay, and then we will set the name. So name dot set text, here we will set the username. Okay, so we have set the two text views here. Now we need to set the score and rank. Okay, for this we have to calculate the rank of the user. Score, we can set the score. So do we have a top score? Okay, go to the db query. Here are we getting the top score or total score of the user? In my profile here also we don't have my performance rank model. Here we have score. Are we storing the score? Set score, total score. Okay, we have total score in my performance. Okay, so go to the account fragment. Here after this name we will set the score dot set text and db query, string dot value of db query dot my performance dot get score. Okay, so it will return the score and we will assign the score to the score text view. Okay, now comes to the rank. Okay, we don't have a rank yet. We will calculate the rank in the leaderboard activity in the coming videos. So once we calculated the rank, then we can display this rank here. Okay, so until then we can leave the rank part. Okay, then after this I guess all complete, so it should work. So let's run it. Okay, so this is our app. Go to the my account activity, my account fragment. Okay, as you can see, we have this M initial letter in the image and Mohit name is in the name field. Okay, also we have overall score 0. We don't have a score yet because we haven't attempted any test yet. Okay, and also we have my account as title and in home. Okay, here we should get categories. Okay, here we should get categories. So what we can do, oh, and in my account, okay, go to the go to account fragment. Here copy these two lines, Control C, and go to the category fragment, and here after this view paste these, and here change this my account to categories. Okay, categories, and then run. Now you can see it is categories, and when we change it to my account, it is my account. Then we again change it to home, then it is showing categories. Okay, so our title is changing correctly. Okay, so I guess it is complete. Here we are showing only the initial letter of the name. We will show the image in later videos when we will work on images. Okay, then we will fetch the user image from the server and we will show the image here. Until then we will only display the user initial letter. Okay, first letter of the username. Okay, so I guess that's it from this video, guys. If you like this video, please press the like button and also subscribe to our channel. Thank you.